So as well as launching our brand new Torcflex range, we're also launching the innovative Co-Axial coupling and hose system. So the first benefit is the speed of connection. So to release the coupling, all you would do is push the collar forward and then release the safety collar. And then to reconnect, simply put pressure on the back and connect. So this coupling has many benefits. So firstly, it is much more robust than the known twin line couplings. There are less seals in here, so there's also less chance of failure. But the main benefit is for user efficiency. So this coupling can move 360 degrees freely around the wrench. It also has no restrictions here. So unlike the twin line couplings that are fixed axially, this one has more freedom of movement for the user. So with this increased freedom of movement, now there's less chance of operator fatigue with hose becoming tangled around tight applications. For such tight applications, we also have an elbow feature that can be easily installed into the system without any loss of flow. So this 90-degree elbow now gives you more degrees of movement than you would have with any other standard twin line setup. So all our pumps within our offering can also be supplied with factory fitted manifolds to suit the Co-Axial system. We'll have 4-port and also single port available. Should you have a existing pump fleet, we also have developed a retrofit adapter. So this retrofit adapter has 2 moving barrels and there's also actual float so that you can actually move the couplings to suit. So if you have competitor pumps where the ports differ in size, we can then use this retrofit adapter, adjust it easily, fix into the pump, and your Co-Axial system is good to go.